I am freaking excited right now. I have put together something for you that's going to help you just become a better fisherman. It's going to elevate your skills. Right now, for this week only, is my Foundations of Bass Fishing online course. It's got a ton of great stuff to make you a better fisherman. You know, the key to being a good fisherman is understanding the principles and the concepts to help you make good decisions when you're out fishing. Too many people just make a lot of little mistakes and don't understand what's going on around them. And this online course with tons of videos to help you with your fishing. That's right, it's a video course. You know, it's not a downloadable PDF. It's going to help you immensely. So I'm really excited to offer it. Check out the link below to get in. Get there early. I'm really only going to open it for a week. And you better hop on. There's going to be some great content that's going to help you in your fishing game. So I just want to address a couple things that I know you're going to be concerned about when you open up this link and see this course. So number one, people are going to say, why is this so expensive? And it might feel expensive to some people. It might not feel expensive to other people. But bottom line, this course, this is 7 years of bass fishing put together in this course. I did the math on it. I bet there's probably about 15,000 hours of bass fishing experience condensed down into this course. So you're going to get tons of value. The other thing, you're going to eliminate buying marketing hype. You know, there's a ton of it out there. I've been guilty of purchasing stuff that is not good and useless. So you're going to get that value out of the course. Think about how much time you actually get to spend fishing. Do you want to waste that using baits and lures that you don't have confidence in, that might not work? You know, I work hard in my day job to provide for my family, and so when I get out on the water, I want to catch fish and have a good time. So that's what this course is all about. The other thing you're wondering, like, you know, why can't I just learn this stuff online, search it out myself? Trust me, I get that. I've been there. I've tried going down those YouTube rabbit holes. I've looked on all the fishing forums and different stuff. The problem is, not every lake is the same. Every place is different. And if you don't understand the foundational principles that are contained in this course, you're still going to spend a lot of wasted time using stuff that somebody recommended that probably won't work in the situation that you're faced with. So that's why this course is important. It's going to really help you be more successful. It's designed to help the beginner and also, you know, the intermediate level fisherman that wants to improve their game. This course is not for the professional bass angler. It's not for the guy that's fishing local tournaments and winning consistently all the time. This course is for the guy that maybe wants to start getting fishing, do fishing tournaments. It's the guy that wants to do something with his family outside. It's for that teenage boy that's sick of social media and wants to get out and catch some fish. And grandpa's tactics just don't seem to work. So that's what this course is designed to do and help you with. Please come over, check it out, subscribe to the blog. Look at my blog. I've been blogging for 7 years, fishing. I've fished probably like 35 different places, and I've learned the things that truly work and truly catch fish. So you'll find value in this. Go to the link. Just want to reiterate that this course is only going to be open for a week. So get in there, grab it, enroll. Looking forward to hear your thoughts and questions. Leave a comment if you have any questions or concerns about the course. And get excited to crack some more bass this summer. Yeah!